Hey guys, I'm Cami, head trainer and nutritionist here at Ideal Shape. Let's talk about oatmeal real fast. The health benefits of oats are nothing new. They've been found to be extremely nutrient dense with high amounts of naturally occurring vitamins and minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Many instant oatmeals you can find in the store, however, can have up to 30 or 40 grams of carbs, lots of added sugar, and as little as 4 grams of protein. A lot of times these quick burning carbs can be used up by the body very quickly and leave you feeling hungry soon after eating, which we all know can lead to snacking on whatever items you find around the office or kids' snacks around the house. That's why we created Ideal Oatmeal, a naturally flavored, naturally sweetened oatmeal that has 15 grams of high-quality protein to keep you feeling full all morning and only 15 grams of carbs to help keep your weight loss goals in check. They can be prepared just with warm water, making them super convenient for on the go or at the office, or you can even make them as overnight oats or mix them with a shake for added protein, fiber, and hunger blocking power. Breakfast just got a whole lot better.